Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you how to do smudge painting. So let's begin. Select the image which we are going to edit. After selecting the image, the first step is to adjust the colors. I have adjusted this as my wish. If you want, you can change it as your wish, but it should be good looking. Rasterize the layer so we can do any color corrections later. Now select the quick selection tool and crop like this. Now select Refine Edge. And then use Refine Edge to crop the hair like this, so that the hair may get selected properly. After doing that, select Layer Mask to remove the background. And then click on Apply Layer Mask. After doing that, go to Filter, Sharpen and Smart Sharpen. Now sharpen the image how much you want. Now select the smudge tool. Then select the brushes which you want. But I'm gonna select brush number 100. I have given this brush link in the description. If you want, you can download it. Make sure your brush strength is 54. Zoom in the image until you feel comfortable. Now using your brush, don't paint roughly, paint smoothly like this. After that, create a new page. To create a smudge background, if you want, you can create the background on the same page. For your clear understanding, I am doing it on new page. Now select the light brown color and put small dot. After that, select little dark brown and make paint around the dot like this. And continue the process again and again until you complete whole page. After that, select the smudge tool and paint on it like this. Now copy that first image into this page. And the final step is, select the eraser. Erase the hand and hair like this. Thanks for watching.